In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn Telegram to dark mode. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now the first step you'll need to do is to tap on those three lines on your top left corner. Then go to settings. Then scroll down a little bit. Then under settings, you are going to tap on chat settings. Then it will land you here. So you will see below color theme, you will see switch to night mode. Tap on it. Then as you can see, it has been turned to night mode. So you can also browse other themes. You can just tap on browse other themes. Then you can select the theme that you want. You can select build my own theme. You can tap on dark mode. Then you can also swipe on the side to change the appearance of the charts. So if you tap, you see that the charts are being changed. You can select the one that you prefer. So that's simply it, guys. That's how to turn dark mode on Telegram. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you in the next one.